Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix your connection is not private error in Chrome. So let's start. We have to copy this command that I will leave you here. Is this one, ignore certificate errors. So you have to copy the same as this one. Now that you do it, desktop here, and then let's looking for Google Chrome icon. Then just right click here and then just go to properties. Here on properties, just go to this part and where it says direct access. So you have to go to the end of this one and then just paste the command that I give you. When you do it, just go to apply it and you will fix everything in error in Google Chrome. So that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to copy the same command I give you in that part. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.